So we just come to the forest to get some earth to finish off the courtyard. We've got a little stash here that's really soft. It should be full of nutrients as well, so we'll get to it. Did you miss your daddy being away?
Yeah.
Did you miss me?
Mm-hmm.
What did you do when I wasn't here?
When you go work.
Yeah, went to work. What did you do?
I'm playing with Mummy.
Playing with Mummy.
Yeah.
She's not as good as Dad, though, is she?
No.
Did you miss me? Did you?
Go.
Is that your little spy hole out there? Out the bottom of the door? Where we haven't frosted? Hey! Did you miss me? Did you miss me? Did you miss me?
And me, Daddy. And me.
And you? Did you miss me? Did you miss me? Did you miss me? Did you miss me, Mum?
I actually didn't sleep.
Oh, well, it's good to be back. It's been a busy old week, really. And at the end of it, I've got a red nose and a man sniffle, which does not help things, but I'll be a big brave boy and we'll soldier through it. So, really appreciate all your comments on the last video. You know, I know some of you are concerned, take it easy and do too much, but really, this is just kind of my normal working life. Normally you don't get to see too much of this part of it because I just focus on, you know, once a week doing the renovation. But it's really hard to balance kind of the working and doing the house and all the other bits, so yeah, but looking forward to a bit of a slower week this week, so that'll be great. I've got a couple of days left of working at the chateau and then it's the weekend, so back to working on the house. The swimming pool that me and Matt's been working on the last couple of days, that's getting put in the hole next Monday, but I don't think I'll be going with him for that. I'm not being conned into one of them trips ever again, Matt, if you're watching. So he said he's going to send me some footage of it going in, so anyone that's interested in what we've been doing, you'll get to see an after, all installed, in about a week's time. Look forward to that. So we're going away on this trip. It's put me a little bit behind on the vlog, so I'm desperately racing to try and get one out. So just a short one today and hopefully back on track tomorrow, which is of course if I survive this horrible man flu, which as you all know, if anyone knows anything about man flu, it's a 50-50 chance, you know, whether you'll pull through or not. So I'm hoping I'm one of the lucky men. You know, I'm putting on a brave face, so I'll see you tomorrow. So I'll see you tomorrow when I'm less of a sick note.